not bad at all. I'm Zachary Jordan. I am a detailer slash owner slash business entrepreneur. My business partner's name is Ryan Gibb. He's also a detailer, and we both work here at the detail shop and run Dudez Chevron and make the best of it. The steps to the detail we did on this Accord, we start with the wash and the decontamination process. We do it step by step. We start with the wheels because they're normally going to be the dirtiest. They're going to have the iron particles. We start there. We do a Meguiar's non-acid wheel and tire cleaner on them first, followed by a Meguiar's iron decontamination. More or less a basic hand wash, making sure your wheel wells are clean, getting the majority of the dirt off of the vehicle. We clean it top to bottom. We use a 2-bucket method to make sure we're getting all of this dirt to not transfer to the next panel. We make sure we get all of that off, followed by clay barring the car, which we do with just your normal mild clay bar and the same soap that we use to wash the vehicle as a lubricant for it. Clay bar the entire thing. This is going to ensure that we have a nice smooth surface for our ceramic to cure to. We move the car over into our detail bay after we're done washing it, drying it, air hosing out all the cracks, crevices, making sure that we're not leaving any hard water behind. Then we do a polish on the vehicle to take any small surface scratches out of it. We actually, I believe on this vehicle in particular, did our highest level of paint correction, which is 90 to 95% of defects removed.
The thing when you're doing a paint correction is making sure that you use enough cut compound or polish compound. You don't want to over put cut down or over put polish or underput on that at my hand too. Because if you underput it, you're not doing the job effectively enough to be able to get to the paint where you want it to be. But if you overput it, it's gonna be really, really hard to take off. A good way to know that you're in the range of the right amount is if whatever it is, the leftover left on the paint after you've polished it, is if it's hard or easy to take off. If it's easy to take off, that means you've broken either the polish or the cut down enough and you did it right. But if it's really, really hard to take off, that means you probably didn't do it long enough, or your buffer speed isn't fast enough, or could be a bunch of different reasons, but you should be on the panel longer if it's harder to take off.
I love using the XPEL Ceramic because it's extremely thick when it goes onto the wheels. However, when you're pulling it off, the only drawback I have with it is it feels very sticky. I haven't had any other ceramics do this. You know, XPEL is obviously an industry leader there, but it's just kind of a fun fact about it. It does kind of fill in all the cracks and crevices, which is nice compared to some of the other ceramics that are out there. You got your Avalon King, which is kind of a one-size-fits-all brand. XPEL has, each one is specifically formulated for whichever surface you're putting it on. We use the wheel and caliper one because it works well on high temp surfaces. So this is going to be right next to the brake rotors, which are going to be, really hot, and the calipers. And this ceramic is formulated to put up with that, which is kind of cool. I should do this to my own car. We use XPEL ceramics because they are individualized products, and XPEL has, its paint and PPF ceramic. It has a window ceramic, it has a plastic and trim ceramic, and we're able to go over the entire vehicle knowing that the product that we are using is specifically designed for the surface that we're applying it to. And then that is gonna protect the car for, anywhere, depending on how the car is used, from 3 to 8 years. The ceramic is gonna help, one, with the ease of maintenance. Washing the car will be a breeze after that. And it's just the best thing you can do for your car, short of paint protection film on the entire vehicle. This vehicle had a partial front paint protection film done on it previously. This ceramic, though, is just gonna extend the life of the paint, stop it from getting UV damage, any of the sun fade, and overall extend the life of the clear coat that's on the vehicle. When we're detailing cars, one of the first things that we always look for is in the washing phase, and it's whether or not the car has a wax on it. It doesn't, whether it's a ceramic or a wax, any of these products is going to be better than just your normal hand wash and soap. And so it's really important to us that we let our customers know, hey, your car isn't beating like it should be, and tell them about what their options are, because not everybody has $1,500 to drop on a XPEL ceramic coating that's specific to each area of the car, and then they add on the wheels and the glass or your trim, and they're all little extras that you can add on to it. Not everybody's going to have the paint protection film, but most people have the ability to, once every 3 months, bring your car in, get it hand washed, get that decontamination process. You don't even need to go as far as a polish in most daily driver scenarios, but to just have even a good spray wax on there, just something between your clear coat and the environment to help extend the longevity of your car. Whenever someone brings us their car, that sends a message to us that they care enough about their vehicle to take it to us in the first place, that we're going to treat it like our own. We're going to recommend to them exactly what we would do to our own cars. But at the detail shop, we take pride in what we do here. We always are trying to continue to learn what the most proper way to take care of a vehicle is, what the best products are on the interior, the exterior, what's going to leave our clients with the absolute best product at the end of the day. We're always making improvements here. We're in eastern Idaho in a small town called Rexburg. We're here first and foremost for the community that we're in. We're here for the detailing community. We're going to be doing a lot of cool things on our channel and with our videos. Like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Help us gain followers, and we will continue to make content, and we will hopefully be able to provide content that everyone enjoys. And we're honestly a community, and we hope to do nothing except aid that.